Now I am going to show you how to create MCQ question paper or objective question paper in Google Classroom with auto marking. So first of all, we have to visit classroom.google.com, and this video is to help those who are creating the assignments from laptop or desktop using Windows. So first of all, open classroom.google.com. And now go to the class where you have to create an assignment. So suppose I take class 10E. Then here you will find the link stream, classwork, people mark. So click on classwork. Then click on create. Here we have to click on quiz assignment. Then put a title here. Computer test. Instructions, do not cheat or whatever instructions you want to give. This is for this much time, or whatever instructions you want to give here. And at the bottom you will find a blank quiz Google form. So click here. It will open another window which will open a form. Now here click at the top, name this form. So I have named this form Computer Exam 8 September, and then click on this settings icon. Choose this option, collect email addresses. It means the student has to fill in the email address compulsorily. Click on the response receipt. If the student wants to see the response, he can see the response. Then click on this option, limit to one response. It means student can answer it only one time. He can take the quiz only one time. Then leave these two. Then click on presentation, show progress bar, shuffle question order, and confirmation message can be given to student once he has submitted the exam. So your response saved successfully. Then click on quizzes. Initially it was off. If it is off, make it on. We have to make it on actually. Make this a quiz. Because if we do not make this a quiz, auto marking will not be done. The students will be auto marked if we make this a quiz. Then release marks immediately after each submission. No, we have to take this option later after manual review. Respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, point values. If we want to show it, we can give these options. Click on save. And now we have to design our question paper. This is first question, and that question type should be multiple choice. We will find these many options here. We have to take the option multiple choice. Question number 1. Who developed C++? Option 1, James. Option 2, Dennis. Option 3, Bijan. Option 4, Guido van Rossum. Now click on answer key and select the right answer. What is the right answer for this question? So for this question, the right answer is Bijan. And now the points. So if it is 1 point, 1 point, and done. Now we can click on duplicate so that the second question with 4 options is generated. Now change the question. Who developed C? The answer key for this question is Dennis. So we have to remove Bijan. Means the purpose is to give the right answer. Select the correct answer and the points 1 point, done. Again duplicate. Third question, who developed Java? So the answer is James. So we will click on James and done. Again, next question. Who developed Python? The answer is Guido van Rossum and done. Now we have created 4 questions. So in this way we have to create more questions. Fine. Settings we have done and we have named the form also. Here we have to click computer exam on 8 September. Description we can give whatever instructions we can give it to students. Okay. Now we come back to the quiz assignment. We had clicked here and then we reached this form, and the form details whatever we have designed, these are automatically saved. We can see all changes saved in Drive. So we have to go here and then we have to decide the point value. So it is for 4 marks. Due date, suppose it is for 9 September and time it will start at 09 AM. No, it will end at, due date means the ending date and time. So it will end at say 9:45 and it will start at say 9. So this is due date and time, and then schedule. Scheduling means at what time it will start. So it will start at 9 September 9 AM and schedule. Now the question paper has been scheduled for 9 September 9 AM. It will be automatically given to students in Google Classroom at the scheduled time, and the due date and time is after 45 minutes. So this is the way we can create the objective question paper. Now suppose we want to stop accepting responses from students at 9:45. So we can go to this form where we had designed the form. We can click on responses and then click on this option accepting responses. If we disable it, it will not accept the responses from students. Also, if we want to see all students' marks, we can click on this spreadsheet icon, create a new spreadsheet, create. a blank spreadsheet will be created where we will find these cells filled with student's email address, the score, and score in each answer in each question also. So this file can be downloaded for later use. Download Microsoft Excel option. And once the students have submitted responses, we will find the numbers here. 4 responses, 5 responses, 10 responses, whatever, and we can find the summary of responses also here. So that's all for creating assignment and seeing the scores. Once was all about creating objective question paper. Thank you.